Processor: Intel Core i3-1215U. Up to 4.4 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. 10 MB L3 cache, 6 cores, 8 threads. Ports: 1 USB Type circa 5 gigabits per second signaling rate. 2 USB Type A 5 gigabits per second signaling rate. 1 AC power. 1 HDMI 1.4b. 1 stereo headphone, microphone combo jack. Graphics integrated. Intel Iris X graphics. Memory: 8 GB DDR4-3200 MHz RAM, 1x8 GB. Memory slots: 2 SODIMM. Internal storage: 256 GB PCIe NVMe SSD. Display: 15.6 inches diagonal, FHD, 1920x1080, SVA, narrow bezel, anti-glare, 250 nits, 45% NTSC. Color gamut: 45% NTSC. Brightness: 250 nits. Minimum dimensions: WXDXH 35, 8x24, 2x1.99 centimeters. Camera: 720p HD camera. Keyboard: full-size keyboard with numeric keypad. Audio: dual stereo speakers, dual array microphones. Battery type: HP Long Life 3 cell, 41 Wh Li-ion.